Hello, today I'm going to show you how to pick up along the side of a piece of a triple wrapped crossover stitch. In the rebound shawl, we do this section 6, triple wrapped crossover stitch. That is a mouthful. I'm having trouble every time. We're going to pick up along the right hand's edge to complete section 7. So in the case of rebound, there are 25 sections and the pattern instructs you to pick up 100 stitches. That's what worked out gauge-wise. So that means for every repeat, you're going to want to pick up 4 stitches. In this small example, I have 3 repeats, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to want to pick up 4 stitches in each one of these sections for a total of 12. So you're going to insert your needle in the first stitch underneath 2 legs of the stitch on the end misplacing my yarn, and pulling the loop through to pick up as you normally do. All right, so that's 1 stitch. Then I'm going to go into the second one that's a stitch here and get 2. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. There really aren't, within this same repeat, because I want to do it before the garter ridge, there really aren't 2 more spots. So there's this long, little bit loopier stitch, and I'm going to go in here, and then I'm going to bring my yarn to the front and purl through it to get the 4th stitch for the repeat. This will all even out once you get going in the other direction. So the first stitch in the next repeat is right here. I pick that up, and then I'm going to go into the garter ridge and pick that one up. And then here, this is a better example of the loopy. I think it was because it was the first repeat of the pattern that it didn't look as loopy. Come in and knit it, bring your yarn to the front and purl this, and that gets you 4 stitches for that repeat. Go into the garter ridge and pick up that stitch, go into this garter ridge, and you can kind of play this by ear. When you're picking up stitches along the edge of a piece, the thing that's important is that they're evenly spaced. So you don't want to do 5 or 6 stitches within one repeat and then only a couple in the other. You're going to get some fabric bunching if you do that. So here is our longer loopy kind of part of the stitch. So we're going to go knit and then purl. And I've got a little edging at the top. So there are 12 stitches. And then you would just keep going in this direction, and it makes a nice transition. Just picking up on the triple wrapped crossover stitch.